Jimmy!
Hey.
Is that you?
What's up?
What's
Kenny?
up? I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, just been in my room.
Aw, do you want to hang out sometime?
Sure. I mean, are you free tonight?
Yeah.
Okay.
6? So do you want me to meet you at your room? Or anywhere?
I can text you about it. I have to go right now, actually.
Okay.
So I'll see you later, though.
For sure. Hello?
Hey, I'm sorry about earlier. I'm just really...
Yeah, no, it's cool. We all have our days. What are you looking at?
Just your painting of the Mona Lisa. I have some laundry downstairs I have to go pick up. Or just take a few minutes. You want to come with?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool.
Okay, let's go towards this. Where did you get your shirt from? It's really cool.
I got it from the mall.
The mall? Just a mall, or just a shirt you picked up?
Yeah, so my dad sent me here because it's less expensive.
Ooh, mood lighting, I see. Where are you? Shit, you guys, please put it back. It's coming.
I can't seem to get in here. You're lucky.
That's right, ladies. Terminal narrative over.
Humongous.
Okay. Humongous what? Humongous what?
Humongous.
Humongous what?
Humongous.
Humongous what?
Humongous.
Humongous what?
That's what it is.
Humongous what? Is that sexual harassment?
No, it's humongous.
Then why did you say that to
That's
me?
my name.
What? Humongous what?
Humongous what?
Humongous what? Is that sexual harassment? Is that what you just did when you said that to me?
What, humongous?
Why would you say that to me?
Yes, but my name.
Why would you say that to me?
Why would I say it to
Why
you?
would you say that to me?
Why would you ask me my name?
What? Humongous what? Humongous what? Humongous what? Humongous what? This person just spoke to me in a sexually harassing
Oh,
way.
I did not.
Yeah, he did. He said, do you know what my name is? And
I
I
said,
said,
"You
what?
want my
And he
name."
said, humongous.
What?
Yeah.